Hello, how you doing? Jeff here with My Business Automated, training you on a little bit to navigate through the website to get into the workshop. I know a few people have wondered where that was to come into the 2 o'clock Pacific, 3 o'clock Mountain, 4 Central, 5 Eastern. Here's the times right here. Daily workshop. People have been asking for the link. I put it on the website under Knowledge Hub. If you go into Knowledge Hub at the top, meeting link, just click on that, takes you right to the Zoom. And we're there every day, 3 o'clock Mountain Time. And appreciate it. What we're going to do is a training real quick on a few of the features, and then we're going to record it and put it on the YouTube channel. Features regarding the chat widget and how to set that up, and then also the social media planner and the blogging location to create blogs. So hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.